Hello everyone, my name is Yaser Darwish. I'm a tax agent by Federal Tax Authority of UAE. It will be my pleasure to sit with you and discuss the different issues relating to VAT. When we start to discuss about the challenges, the issues businesses now they are facing due to the VAT. Now, we would like to take this serious in order to ensure that you actually comply with the tax laws. We understand that this is something new in UAE and that many businesses are facing some challenges, some issues. And we would like to work with you to work together in order to ensure the compliance part. Let me first introduce myself. As a tax agent by the Federal Tax Authority, I'm also have an in-depth experience in the tax industry, as well as auditing, as well as an accounting expert with the Federal and Abu Dhabi courts. I'm also a lecturer at American University of Sharjah. Being in the country for over 20 years allowed me to understand in depth the way businesses operate and the challenges they have. A lot of businesses now, they're facing the issue to be sure that actually their business are in compliance with the law. Now, how can you ensure that you're actually in compliance? Are there tools available? How can you know what applies to your business? Now, we would like businesses actually to maximize the use of technology, understanding what software fits them the most. Being a user with Tally for the past 5 years, we think that we have a very good and actually the most appropriate tool that you can utilize to the maximum. Most businesses, they fail because they don't have the proper tool. They spend their time, which I call it, in the mud area, covering routine day-to-day operation. As a business owner, as a manager, and even accountant, this should be something just on the go. You should not keep thinking about it. You spend more your time on strategies, more on operation efficiency, more on controls, and that's how you'll be sure that actually you have a proper VAT system. Now, what is the challenges with VAT? Number one, you should have that tool in your hand. Number two, you should ensure your accountant understands the VAT. Now, why the accountant has to have the tool? Having the knowledge without the tool is not going to be a proper way to succeed, because having the knowledge without properly storing it and processing it, then retrieve it properly to prepare the tax return, it will be very much challenging. Not only that, in case of audit by the FDA, you need to be sure that you have the proper reports and supporting and records to prove your point. The tax return, it is a documentation which you present your case at a certain time and a certain issues that actually you need to support. Tally will give you a great chance that actually you are in that boat. Having said that, we would like to work with you and also to have a very good dialogue and discussion from you to show you how you continuously. Now, the challenges with VAT is not one time and then you have finished. Unfortunately, or fortunately actually for businesses, the VAT is continuous business with the government. You will do this regularly, every tax period, throughout the years, throughout the months, and day-to-day operation, you have to keep VAT in your mind. It's not one-time filing and you finish. It is day-to-day, every transaction you're involved in, you have to think about VAT. How I record it? Do I have the proper documents? Once I record it, can I retrieve it? Do I have the report? How does it impact my business? How is the impact on my cash flow? Will it increase my expenses? All this question now that was not existed before VAT, now you have to think about it. You cannot escape it. The game rules not only changed, actually the game have changed itself. You cannot play with the old rules with the new game. You will have a lot of issues. Our advice to you, you need to focus more strategically. You need to be sure that you have the proper tool, utilizing Tally to the maximum will give you the peace of mind. We are here to give you not only to be in compliance with VAT, this is very important, but at the same way you have to do it an easy way. So you have to work in your business. That's what you are in. You are in business to make profit. However, there are some points you have to take in your way. And the easier way you manage that, the more you have chance to succeed. I really look forward for more videos in the future. We're going to take a topic at one at a time. It will be short videos. We think this is relating to your business, you need to pay attention to. And also we welcome your suggestion for topics to cover. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and look forward to see you in the near future.
We are the experts on taxation. We are Tally and we are here for you.